Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $1.20 every minute just by watching ads. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share. I post videos to teach my subscribers how to make money online and ways to improve their skills. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell to be among those who get notified whenever I post a new video. So guys, before I reveal this site to you, I would like you to check the description of this video and join my WhatsApp channel. On my WhatsApp channel, I teach my followers how to make more money from this site I'm revealing to you. So the name of the site is soft.be, an advertising platform. All I need to do is to click on this link, and then we have a user interface like this. So it says advertise through our platform from $0.02 per click and get customers at least 2 times cheaper from other search engines advertising agents. So the next thing we have here is try now, and then if I scroll down, it says banner 95,155 pop-ups and so on, and it says what is soft.be. Here we have how much advertising through soft.be costs, and then it says $15.0 and so on, $0.02 CPC, and then soft.be by numbers and so on, guys. So here we have how it works, and then it says partner with us. Website owner installs our ads network code to their site. So this is how soft.be works. Firstly, you have to install their ads network to your browser. Internet users installs our extension to their browser. For instance, if you're using Chrome, all you need to do is to install the extension, and it says you register on the platform. Sign up on soft.be in just few clicks and create a personal account. So after that, you replenish your account. You can replenish your account by credit card, MasterCard and so on. And then it says launch an ad if you want to launch an ad. But if you don't want to launch an ad, you can just make money by installing the extension on your browser so that ads can show up. And the cool thing is that you don't even need to click those ads to make money. Immediately you see those ads, you made some percentage of money from soft.be. So guys, let's go ahead to put this to practice. I'm just going to go to my browser and then download the soft.be extension. So here we have soft.be extension, and then here we have the soft.be, the extension which you need to earn. This is for Chrome, and then if you're using other browsers, you can install the extension for those browsers. So here we have add to Chrome. I'm going to click on add to Chrome, and I'm going to click on add extension. So soft.be has successfully been installed on this system. So it says congratulations, the extension is installed. On each page you will have banners. Banners appears when you open or update a page and so on. So guys, on each site you visit, you'll be seeing ads from soft.be. So even without clicking those ads, you make some percentage of the money advertisers pay. So if I click on balance, it says for every appearance of the banner you receive money. Your earned money is displayed on the left. The cost of each individual banner is set by the advertiser, and you get 50%. The impression price cannot be less than $0.04, guys. The next thing we are going to do so that we can start earning from soft.be is to sign up a new account. So I'm just going to click on sign up, and then I'm going to fill in my information. Under username, I'll just put in a username, and then I'm going to put in my email address and then put in a password, and then I'm going to click on sign up. I'm going to verify if I'm a human. So here we have my account. It says welcome to soft.be. Tell us a bit about yourself. If you're an advertiser, all you need to do is click on I am an advertiser, and if you're a user, just click on I am a user. I want to earn money by doing simple tasks. I'm just going to click on this. And then it says have you ever worked with similar websites? I have experience. I participate in other earning projects. I am a newbie, never made money before. So you're going to click that, and it says we have a gift for you. Your rating increased by 2,000 experience, and then I click on thank you. So we are done, guys. So it says all ways to make money. Soft.be has 5 different ways to make money. Scroll further for further information. I'm going to click on next, and it says 1 by viewing videos on the site. On the user page, tags for watching a video are available for you. you can watch them without installing the extension. It says install the extension which we've done in your browser on your computer, through which you will see advertising banners and receive tax watching videos and sites. Thirdly, it says mobile app. You can install the app for Android to complete tasks at any convenience time. And then the fourth way you can earn money from this site is through affiliate program. Invite people to our site using your referral link and get from 5% to 10% from the amount of their earnings, or replenish them. So guys, we have a lot of ways you can make money on this site. And then the number 5 way to make money on this site said, for those who have their own website, become a sub.pro publisher by placing our banners on your website and get rewarded for impressions and click. So guys, we are done reading the 5 ways you can make money on this site. I'm just going to click on let's start. And then so we have my user account balance, which is 0.0000. So here it says make your first money by watching this video. So if I watch this video, I'm going to make $0.000472.5. So all I need to do is to click on this video, and then you guys are going to see the amount I'm going to make for just watching this video. So all I need to do is to wait for 20 seconds. Okay, so now we have 0 seconds, and it says to complete this task you need to solve the captcha. So guys, it says you've earned $0.00049612. So guys, if you check under my users account, we have $0.004961 and so on, because I just watched an ad. And then here we have withdraw funds, and then we also have withdrawal history, so you can easily withdraw your earnings as soon as you earn. And then we also have personal income per 2 weeks, and this is the amount I've made in 2 weeks. So guys, this is how easy you can make money on this site. And then it says active referrals, which is 0. So to be able to make money through referrals, all you need to do is come here and then get your referral link, and then share that link with whoever you want to register, and then make money for each task that user perform on the website. So guys, to be able to make money using the extension you've installed on your browser, all you need to do is to come to your Chrome extensions, and then come to the extension you just installed. And after that, all you need to do is to click on stats. We have a website called coinpayu.com and so on, and under the site, if you notice, we have an ads here, and then it says stay on this site 22 seconds, wait for the timer to finish to complete this task. So as soon as I stay on this site for this number of seconds, I'm going to earn some percentage of what the advertisers pay. So guys, this is basically how you can make money online from watching ads on soft.pu. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share, so that other people can get value from this video. See you guys in my next video guys. Thank you for watching.